දැන් කලම්බුලෑන්ඩ් කැපිටල් කියන සමාගමට එහෙම නැත්නම් ලිබර්ටි හෝල්ඩින් කියන සමාගම 2016 මහජන බැංකුවෙන් අරන් තියෙනවා.
In 2016, now State Minister Ajit Niwad Cabral had obtained a loan amounting to 1.6 billion rupees from the People's Bank via Colombo Land Capital, also known as Liberty Holdings. This loan has been rescheduled thrice, in January 2018, June 2019 and June 2020. They are now planning to reschedule this loan for the fourth time. The credit committee of the bank has disagreed to reschedule the loan again. However, the chairman of the bank has thereafter intervened in the matter. The chairman of the bank is a non-executive director. He does not have the right to interfere in matters pertaining to the credit committee of the bank. We have also learned of instances where the debt moratorium provided to certain institutions has been cancelled abruptly. The banks then urge these institutions to repay the remaining loan with immediate effect. If the institutions are unable to settle their commitments, they are urged to liquidate their equity stocks trading on the stock exchange and settle those loans. There is a hidden force that is benefiting from all this. It was the same during the previous regime. This force then obtains loans from the same banks that provided those moratoriums and purchases the shares that have been sold by those companies. Who is controlling this country? Is it President Rajapaksa or this businessman? We will continue to reveal such corrupt activities. We are not afraid and we will not step down. We urge the Prime Minister to investigate this matter. We urge him to take control of this invisible force and prevent our country's economy from being destroyed.
මේ රීරියකව පාලනය කරන්න දඩු කඳේ දාන්න එහෙම නැත්නම් ලංකාවේ ආර්ථිකය විනාශයි.